Which was the first bank established in India? Option A State Bank of India, option B Punjab National Bank, option C Bank of Hindustan, option D Imperial Bank of India. The correct option is C Bank of Hindustan. When was the Reserve Bank of India established? Option A 1930, option B 1935, option C 1947, option D 1955. The correct option is B 1935. Which institution is known as the Bankers Bank? Option A SBI, option B RBI, option C IDBI, option D ICICI. The correct option is B RBI. Who issues the rupees 1 note in India? Option A RBI, option B Ministry of Finance, option C SBI, option D SEBI. The correct option is Ministry of Finance. How many banks were nationalized in 1969? Option A 6, option B 14, option C 20, option D 10. The correct option is B 14. Second phase of nationalization took place in option A 1971, option B 1980, option C 1991, option D 2000. The correct option is B 1980. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, was established in the year. Option A 1982, option B 1991, option C 1980, option D 1971. The correct option is A 1982. SEBI Securities and Exchange Board was established in option A 1985, option B 1992, option C 1990, option D 1995. The correct option is B 1992. CRR stands for option A cash revenue ratio, option B current reserve ratio, option C cash reserve ratio, option D credit reserve ratio. The correct option is C cash reserve ratio. SLR is maintained in the form of option A cash only, option D gold only, option C government securities only, option D all of the above. The correct option is D all of the above. What is the full form of RBI? Option A Reserve Bank of India, option B Rural Bank of India, option C Royal Bank of India, option D Revenue Bank of India. The correct option is A Reserve Bank of India. Repo rate means option A rate at which RBI gives loan to banks, option B rate at which banks borrow from customers, option C rate at which banks give loan to the RBI, option D rate of recurring deposit. The correct option is A rate at which RBI gives loan to the banks. Bank rate means option A rate at which RBI lends long-term loans to banks, option B rate for fixed deposits, option C rate for saving deposits, option D none of the above. The correct option is A rate at which RBI lends long-term loans to banks. Narasimha Committee is related to option A education reforms, option B bank reforms, option C defense reforms, option D police reforms. The correct option is B bank reforms. First phase of banking reforms in India started in option A 1947, option B 1969, option C 1991, option D 2000. The correct option is C 1991. Which of the following is a development bank in India? Option A RBI, option B ICICI, option C SIBDI, option D NABARD. The correct option is NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Financial inclusion means option A opening new banks, option B increasing internet banking, option C making financial services accessible to weaker sections, option D promoting digital currency. The correct option is C making financial services accessible to weaker sections. Who regulates cooperative banks in India? Option A RBI, option B state government, option C NABARD, option D RBI and state government. The correct option is D RBI and state government. Imperial Bank of India was nationalized in option A 1949, option B 1955, option C 1969, option D 1980. The correct option is B 1955. Which of the following is not a function of RBI? Option A issuer of the currency, option D banker to the government, option C insurance of life, option D controller of credit. The correct option is insurance of life. Which bank merged with the RBI to form SBI? Option A Imperial Bank, option B PNB, option C Bank of Hindustan, option D ICICI. The correct option is A Imperial Bank. What is the main objective of the RBI monetary policy? Option A increase foreign exchange, option B encourage export, option C control inflation and ensure price stability, option D improve banking technology. The correct option is C control inflation and ensure price stability. Which of the following bank was not nationalized in 1969? Option A Bank of Baroda, option C Canara Bank, option C ICICI Bank, option D Allahabad Bank. The correct option is C ICICI Bank. Which bank is the largest public sector bank in India? Option A PNB, option B RBI, option C ICICI Bank, option D SBI. The correct option is D SBI. What does ATM stand for? Option A automated teller money, option B automatic transfer machine, option C automated teller machine, option D auto transaction machine. The correct option is C automated teller machine. Which of the following is the headquarters of the RBI? Option A Delhi, option B Mumbai, option C Kolkata, option D Chennai. The correct option is B Mumbai. Who appoints the governor of the RBI? Option A RBI board, option B Prime Minister, option C central government, option D Finance Commission. The correct option is C central government. Which of the following is a quantitative tool of monetary policy? Option A CRR, option B moral censuration, option C rationing of credit, option D credit authorization scheme. The correct option is A CRR cash reserve ratio. Who is the custodian of the foreign exchange reserves in India? Option A SBI, option B Finance Ministry, option C RBI, option D Exim Bank. The correct option is C RBI. Which of the following comes under the priority sector lending? Option A real estate, option B education, option C share market, option D car loans. The correct option is B education. Which bank launched the first ATM in India? Option A ICICI Bank, option B HSBC, option C HDFC Bank, option D SBI. The correct option is HSBC. Which act regulates the functioning of commercial banks in India? Option A Banking Regulation Act 1949, option B Companies Act 1956, option C RBI Act 1934, option D Indian Contract Act 1872. The correct option is A Banking Regulation Act 1949. What does IFSC stand for? Option A International Finance Security Code, option B Indian Financial Security Code, option C Indian Financial System Code, option D Interbank Finance and Settlement Code. The correct option is C Indian Financial System Code. Which bank finance agriculture and rural development in India? Option A SBI, option B NABARD, Option C, RBI. Option D, SIDBI. The correct option is B, NABARD. What is the minimum capital requirement for a new private bank in India? Option A, rupees 100 crore. Option B, 500 crore. Option C, rupees 200 crore. Option D, rupees 1000 crore. The correct option is C, rupees 200 crore. Which among the following is not a scheduled bank? Option A, SBI. Option B, ICI. Option C, Paytm Payments Bank. Option D, HDFC. The correct option is C, Paytm Payments Bank. Which is the India's first payment bank? Option A, Airtel Payments Bank. Option B, India Post Payments Bank. Option C, Paytm Payments Bank. Option D, Jio Payments Bank. The correct option is A, Airtel Payments Bank. NEFT stands for option A, National Electric Fund Transfer. Option B, National Electronic Funds Transfer. Option C, Non-Essential Fund Transfer. Option D, National Emergency Fund Transfer. The correct option is B, National Electronic Funds Transfer. Which bank was merged with the Bank of Baroda in the 2019? Option A, Vijay Bank. Option D, Dana Bank. Option C, both A and B. Option D, Indian Bank. The correct option is C, both A and B. Who controls monetary policy in India? Option A, SEBI. Option B, NABARD. Option C, RBI. Option D, Ministry of Finance. The correct option is C, RBI. What does RTGS stand for? Option A, real-time gross settlement. Option B, rapid transfer and general settlement. Option C, real-time government system. Option D, regulated transaction gateway system. The correct option is A, real-time gross settlement. The headquarters of NABARD is located in option A, Delhi. Option B, Hyderabad. Option C, Mumbai. Option D, Pune. The correct option is C, Mumbai. Which bank was the first to introduce internet banking in India? Option A, ICI Bank. Option B, SBI. Option C, HDFC Bank. Option D, PNB Bank. The correct option is A, ICI Bank. The Banking Ombudsman scheme is implemented by option A, Finance Minister. Option B, SEBI. Option C, RBI. Option D, Niti Aayog. The correct option is C, RBI. Which committee recommended the introduction of GST? The correct option is A, Kelkar Committee. Who among the following was the first Indian governor of the RBI? Option A, C.D. Deshmukh. Option B, Manmohan Singh. Option C, Bimal Jalan. Option D, Raghuram Rajan. The correct option is A, C.D. Deshmukh. Which of the following is not a money market instrument? Option A, treasury bills. Option B, commercial paper. Option C, certificate of deposit. Option D, equity shares. The correct option is D, equity shares. Which bank launched the YONO app? Option A, ICI Bank. Option B, HDFC Bank. Option C, Axis Bank. Option D, SBI. The correct option is D, SBI. Which bank is the main source of refinance of regional rural banks? Option A, SBI. Option B, RBI. Option C, NABARD. Option D, SIDBI. The correct option is C, NABARD. Which type of bank account is suitable for frequent transactions? Option A, fixed deposit account. Option B, recurring deposit account. Option C, current account. Option D, savings account. The correct option is C, Current account. Who regulates the insurance sector in India? Option A RBI, option C SEBI, option C IRDAI, option D NABARD. The correct option is C IRDAI. In which year was the first regional rural bank established? Option A 1972, option B 1975, option C 1980, option D 1982. The correct option is B 1975. Which act governs the functioning of the RBI? Option A RBI Act 1934, option B Banking Regulation Act 1949, option C Companies Act 2013, option D Indian Penal Code. The correct option is A RBI Act 1934. Which of these is a direct benefit transfer platform? Option A BHIM, option B PM Kisan, option D Aadhaar, option D PFMS. The correct option is D PFMS. Which of the following is not a public sector bank? Option A PNB, option B SBI, option C HDFC Bank, option D Bank of Baroda. The correct option is C HDFC Bank. What is the primary function of Exim Bank? Option A rural development, option B insurance, option C promoting exports and imports, option D regulating capital market. The correct option is C promoting exports and imports. Which of the following is the regulator of the capital markets in India? Option A RBI, option B SEBI, option C NABARD, option D IRDA. The correct option is B SEBI. What does MICR stand for? Option A Magnetic Ink Character Recognition, option B Minimum Interest Credit Rate, option C Multi-Integrated Credit Rating, option D Macro Intense Credit Receipt. The correct option is A Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. In which year was the Banking Ombudsman Scheme is introduced in India? Option A 1990, option B 1995, option C 2000, option D 2006. The correct option is B 1995. What is the validity of a check in India from the day of the issue? Option A 1 month, option B 3 months, option C 6 months, option D 12 months. The correct option is B 3 months. Which of the following is the apex bank of the industrial finance in India? Option A SIDBI, option B RBI, option C NABARD, option D IDBI. The correct option is D IDBI. Which financial institution provides refines to small industries? Option A RBI, option B SIDBI, option C SEBI, option D Exim Bank. The correct option is B SIDBI. Who regulates the stock exchanges in India? RBI, option B SEBI, option C NABARD, option D IRDA. The correct option is B SEBI. Which bank was formed by the merger of the Allahabad Bank into it in 2020? Option A Bank of Baroda, option B PNB, option C Canara Bank, option D Indian Bank. The correct option is B PNB Bank. Which of the following is not a negotiable instrument? Option A promissory note, option B bill of exchange, option C check, Option D, fixed deposit receipt. The correct option is D, fixed deposit receipt. What does KYC stand for? Option A, know your consumer. Option B, know your client. Option C, know your customer. Option D, know your criteria. The correct option is C, know your customer. Which committee recommended priority sector lending? Option A, Narasimha Committee. Option B, Ragarajan Committee. Option C, Kelkar Committee. Option D, Narasimha Rao Committee. The correct option is A, Narasimha Committee. The term monetary policy is associated with option A, SEBI, option B, Finance Ministry, option C, RBI, option D, Niti Aayog. The correct option is C, RBI. Which one is an example of non-banking financial company? Option A, LIC, option C, SBI, option C, HDFC Bank, option D, PNB. The correct option is A, LIC. Which bank is considered the Central Bank of India? Option A, ICICI Bank, option B, SBI, option C, RBI, option D, NABARD. The correct option is C, RBI. Which of the following is used for interbank fund transfers? Option A, ATM, option B, RTGS, option C, check, option D, POS. The correct option is RTGS. Which body manages the foreign exchange in India? Option A, SEBI, option B, NABARD, option C, RBI, option D, Ministry of Finance. The correct option is C, RBI. Which is a type of deposit in banks that allows unlimited withdrawals? Option A, fixed deposit, option B, recurring deposit, option C, current account, option D, term deposit. The correct option is C, current account. Which of these is a liability for a bank? Option A, loans, option B, fixed assets, option C, current deposit, consumer deposit, option D, investments. The correct option is C, customer deposits. Scheduled banks are listed in which schedule of the RBI Act? First schedule, option B, second schedule, option C, third schedule, option D, fourth schedule. The correct option is B, second schedule. What does SWIFT refer to in banking? Option A, a payment app. Option B, International Payment Messaging System. Option C, Indian Credit Policy. Option D, Financial Regulation Software. The correct option is B, International Payment Messaging System. Which bank was merged with Indian Bank in April 2020? Option A, Dena Bank. Option B, Oriental Bank. Option C, Allahabad Bank. Option D, Canara Bank. The correct option is C, Allahabad Bank. The main purpose of Basel norms is option A, agriculture financing, option B, credit rating, option C, risk management in banking, option D, promoting exports. The correct option is C, risk management in banking. What does NPA stand for in banking? Option A, net profit allocation, option B, non-performing asset, option C, new payment account, option D, nominal payment assurance. The correct option is B, non-performing asset. Which body governs mutual funds in India? Option A, RBI, option B, SEBI, option C, IRDA, option D, NABARD. The correct option is B. SEBI. Which of the following can issue commercial paper? Option A. Individuals. Option B. Corporates with high credit rating. Option C. Banks only. Option D. NBFC with losses. The correct option is B. Corporates with high credit rating. Which of the following is an example of primary market instrument? Option A. Treasury bill. Option B. Equity IPO. Option C. Mutual funds. Option C. D. Debenture in secondary market. The correct option is B. Equity IPO. What is the current maximum limit for RTGS transactions from individuals? Option A rupees 1 lakh, option B rupees 2 lakh, option C no upper limit, option D rupees 10 lakh. The correct option is C no upper limit. Which organization is responsible for printing currency notes in India? Option A RBI, option B Government of India, option C Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudra PVT Limited, option D SEBI. The correct option is C Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudra PVT Limited. Which bank was founded by the Lala Lajpat Rai in 1894? Option A SBI, option B PNB, option C Canara Bank, option D Allahabad Bank. The correct option is B PNB. Which is the regulatory authority for pensions in India? Option A SEBI, option B RBI, option C PFRDA, option D IRDA. The correct option is C PFRDA. Which of the following is a feature of term deposit accounts? Option A unlimited withdrawals, option B fixed interest rate, option C overdraft facility, option D issuance of checkbook. The correct option is B fixed interest rate. Which bank is known as the banker to the government? Option A SBI, option B RBI, option C PNB, option D IDBI. The correct option is B RBI. Which of the following is a function of commercial banks? Option A issuing currency, option B accepting deposits, option C controlling inflation, option D managing public debt. The correct option is B accepting deposits. What does liquidity mean in banking terms? Option A profitability, option B ability to meet obligations in cash, option C investment potential, option D income over interest. The correct option is B ability to meet obligations in cash. Which is India's central electronic payment platform? Option A SWIFT, option B PFMS, option C NEFT, option D PayPal. The correct option is C NEFT. Who issues treasury bills in India? Option A RBI, option B SEBI, option C Ministry of Finance, option D Government of India. The correct option is D Government of India. What does financial literacy refer to? Option A reading about money, option B knowledge of savings and investments, option C studying finance in college, option D understanding taxation only. The correct option is B knowledge of savings and investments. Which bank was amalgamated with Canara Bank in 2020? Option A Syndicate Bank, option B Corporation Bank, Option C, Indian Bank. Option D, Dena Bank. The correct option is A, Syndicate Bank. Which of the following is not a banking product? Option A, mutual fund. Option B, fixed deposit. Option C, recurring deposit. Option D, savings account. The correct option is A, mutual fund. Which institution provides credit information to banks? Option A, RBI. Option B, SEBI. Option C, CIBIL. Option D, IRDA. The correct option is C, CIBIL. Which government scheme is related to zero balance bank accounts? Option A, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Option B, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Option C, Ayushman Bharat. Option D, Atal Pension Yojana. The correct option is B, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Which of the following is a type of crossing on checks? Option A, general crossing. Option B, specific crossing. Option C, special crossing. Option D, all of the above. The correct option is D, all of the above. Which of the following types of risk is not managed by banks? Option A, credit risk. Option B, market risk. Option C, earthquake risk. Option D, operational risk. The correct option is C, earthquake risk. Which of the following is a function of RBI? Option A, issuing debit cards. Option B, regulating stock markets. Option C, managing foreign exchange. Option D, managing corporate law. The correct option is C, managing foreign exchange.